Welcome back. We have another interesting topic for today, which is autoscaling group. So in previous lecture, we have seen that we can create a number of instances and attach it to a load balancer. And now the load balancer will distribute the loads to the EC2 servers available in the downstream. But there is a better option and a better configuration here we can do with load balancer, which is autoscaling. So let's imagine you have a website. Let's consider Flipkart and Amazon. So they have this sales, right, where the number of user increases for a particular day, right? So they want to make sure that their servers are able to handle the loads. So this can be achieved in your architecture using autoscaling groups. So what autoscaling does is increase or decrease the number of EC2 or the servers you have for your application based on some particular matrices. So you can autoscale based on the CPU utilization or the number of requests you are receiving through your load balancer. So if the number of requests increases, your autoscaling group will automatically add one more EC2 instance and connect it to the load balancer. And yeah, that's the power of cloud. You don't have to worry about your server getting overloaded or going down. It can automatically manage the number of servers it requires, and it can also scale in. So scale in means that it will decrease the number of EC2 instances, and scale out means it will increase the number of instances. So it can do both, increase and decrease the number of instances based on your CPU utilization or the number of requests you have, and there are other metrics also. So that you can choose yourself. Okay, so now we have an idea what an autoscaling group is and what it does. So one more thing to understand about this: after increasing the number of instances, there is a cooldown period, and that is necessary because let's say you have increased the number of EC2 instances from 3 to 4. Now you want to give some time to the autoscaling group and your whole architecture to come to a stable state. Otherwise you would be only increasing, like you have just increased the server to 4, and now you again see the CPU utilization is again same, like it is very high. So autoscaling group will again add one more instance. So you need to give some time to your architecture or the infrastructure you have created to stabilize for a little while, and you can set the cool down period maybe to a 5 minute. So that is recommended by AWS. At least give it 5 minutes to stabilize. And yeah, that's auto scaling group for you. See you in the next one.